Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is Boxycharm time. So this is the June Boxycharm for 2018 and I am really excited to jump in. So you guys know how I like to do these. I am going to show you everything that's in the box and then try a lot of it on. I like to do the majority of it, but I might not try every single thing, but I'm going to give you guys a look, tell you everything that's in it, and kind of let you guys know if it's worth it for Boxycharm, which I'm going to spoiler, it always is. Let's jump right in and I'm going to show you guys what I got. The card is always right on top, so this time there's a coupon for Sol de Janeiro. The code is Boxy 2018 and that's through July 15th. The theme is Caribbean Queen. So you've got some pictures and some prices and explanations there. First thing I see on top are some Luxie brushes, which I really enjoy. So it looks like there's 3 face brushes. This retails for $42. Okay, if I didn't say Boxycharm is only $21 a month, which is half the price of these brushes, so we're off to a great start. You get a 516 duo fiber powder, a 660 precision foundation, and a 522 tapered highlight. There's a close-up in the packaging. Let's pull these out. So I do in fact have the 516 duo fiber powder. This is my brush that I've had for a while, so I am going to put the other one in the giveaway. So I also have one in the giveaway, which is again the 516. So I'm actually going to put that right back into this package and I'm going to put that in my next giveaway. The giveaway will either go up the same day as this video or the next day. Then this is the 660 Precision Foundation. And then we have the 522 Tapered Highlight. I really like Luxie brushes. I would love to get a lot more of them, but I do get a few in my Boxycharm every now and then, which always makes me really excited. I'm actually going to use these now. I need to do blush and highlights, but I'm going to try one of these brushes out for my blush because I haven't really used this powder brush that often, to be honest, just because I have a ton of brushes. Okay, let's try it with some blush because I really like soft blush. I don't like to go too heavy with my blush. That actually works. It is really like light on the ends because it's that duo fiber. It's more dense toward the middle and then you've got really wispy kind of bristles there. So for me, I like my blush to be really soft, so this kind of works well. So let's try out the 522 Tapered Highlight. I'm just going to dip into this Smashbox Photo Strip palette and I'm going to dip into this like light gold. The blush I used was Milani Coral Cove, by the way. Overall, I have to say I will definitely enjoy using these brushes. I will probably get more use out of the highlighter brush than any of the others. I see a little bitty Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I know a lot of people say boom boom, bum bum, whatever. It's the thing that smells amazing and I really like it. I'm gonna rub some in actually because it smells so amazing. I love this product. Like this lotion, I love to put it all over my body. It does do a little bit of firming, but it smells amazing. I really want to get the new Ipanema, that glitter oil that they came out with. It's got like a soft shimmer to it. I think it's really, really pretty and I really love their products. I got a couple of their bath bombs, which I quickly used, and I need more of those as well. So Sol de Janeiro is definitely a brand that I love, and this is my favorite body lotion that I have ever tried. Next, I'm going to pull out this palette. So this is the new brand called Alamar, and I'm pretty sure that this is like one of the Boxycharm people who has this brand. The inside is really gorgeous. I happen to really love that, and the color mixture here I really enjoy. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this palette. This palette is $28, which is really affordable. That's awesome. It features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Okay. When a palette like this is very colorful or it's a lot of shimmers, I will usually dip into my Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here and go all over my lid just to get a nice blending shade on there. So this Cocoa Taxi is really calling my name right here. So I'm gonna dip into that, and this will kind of be my real transition shade because I've laid down a little bit of neutral just to make it easy. I'll pack it on a little bit. Okay, so there's some color. Let's blend. Okay, there she is. She's showing up a little bit. She scared me there for a moment, like she was not gonna come to this party. I'm loving that color. It's definitely vibrant and summery. Now that we are looking pretty even, I'm gonna go in with Tropico, which is right here. Each of these names has either a symbol of a sun or a little water droplet, and they're saying that these can be used with water to intensify them, which is kind of what I would do. So it's all the shimmer shades basically. So it's kind of common sense, but it's nice that they put that in there. Definitely going for the warmer shades today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Guantanamera, I think is how you pronounce that, and we're gonna put that in the outer corner and a little bit into that crease. I think this is El Malezon, I don't know. But this shade right here looks like it's going to be divine. I'm gonna try this with my finger first. Ooh, look at that. Let's go in. She's looking pretty. I have to try it with that wet brush, especially since they recommend that. That makes me even more so want to try it because I think it's gonna be. I'm going to use Smashbox Primer Water to wet this brush. Oh, this is like foil. I love it. Now I'm taking Guantanamera and just kind of blending that in. Really easy palette to use. I'm very impressed. I'm going to take Celia under my lower lash line. Say what you will. You may not think it goes. I just want to do it. So hopefully you guys can see that okay. So I'm going to swatch the ones I haven't used. So first is La Costa. And we're going to swatch it. It's really pretty. It's even more pretty in person. Let's also swatch Varadero. I'm just guessing. I'm hoping. Oh man, that one's really staining the palette. And that is why, because it is pigmented. And then one of the mattes, which is Cafecito, which is down here. And then a pretty good swatch for a matte. Moving right along, I see a Jante Bleu dark brown eyeliner pencil. I am also going to put this in my next giveaway because I have so many liners and I don't use them that often. So there's going to be two things going in my giveaway from my Boxycharm. Next, I see some lashes. So these are by Baddington Lashes. First of all, I love the box. It's like a little cobra with a crown and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. It says, if all else fails, bat your lashes. Oh, it's Baddington for that reason, I'm guessing. And these are the Monroe 3D Silk Eyelashes. These retail for $28 and since they're 100% silk, so that is pretty nice. I am going to pop on some mascara and put these lashes on and I will be right back. So I've got my lashes on and these are my favorite lashes that I've ever put on. First of all, just look at them. They look gorgeous. They're like in between dramatic and natural and they were so easy to apply. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, then you know I don't always wear lashes and it's just because I've never worn them daily. I've never been a pro at putting them on, but these are so flexible. They feel light. I love these. I went ahead and read a little bit more because I was like, oh, is there a coupon anywhere? But it says that they are 100% silk and they allow up to 25 applications. I just think they look gorgeous. I think they're perfect for my eyes because they're not too overdone. Like I would love to have my eyes looking bigger, but some lashes I feel like just look a little bit too much on me. Maybe I'm just not used to it, but I really love these. So Baddington Lashes, holler at your girl. I love your lashes. I do. Oh, yes. I'm going to be going to check them out right after I finish filming this. And I have one more product in my box. That is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And I have to say, I've tried Ofra products, mainly highlighters. I've never tried one of their liquid lips. So it is in a shade that's not typically like a go-to for me. Typically more brown neutrals aren't the best on me personally, but we're going to give it a try because I really want to see the formula. And yeah, let's jump right in and put her on. Ooh, creamy. There is the Ofra liquid lip in the shade Verona, and I immediately thought in fair Verona. I actually don't don't mind this color too much. It's still not the most flattering for my skin tone. Like, this is not something that I'll be like, oh, that's my color, but it works. It definitely does work with this look as well. And overall, I like it. I think it's cute. So that was my Boxycharm for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my goodies. I will definitely link it down below in case you want to check it out. It is always so worth the money. This is over $135 value this month, and it's always like that. You can guarantee you're gonna get at least $100 worth of products, and they're always really good. I really like the mixture. My favorite is definitely these lashes. I have just never found a lash that I was able to put on so perfectly and effortlessly. They're so flexible. I love the band. It's perfect because it's not that it's super thin, it's just so flexible. I love it, and the quality of these lashes are insane. The palette is also really, really gorgeous, and I will definitely enjoy the brushes. And we can't forget our little bitty bum bum cream, because no matter the size, I love me some bum bum cream. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my giveaway, and make sure to hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you can be notified of the giveaways that I do periodically on here, and I also do them on Instagram as well. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.